Bonjour mes étudiants 7th standard. Welcome you all for this new session. Today we are going to discuss on the portion and pattern, as well as we will be revising the some vocabularies and whatever we could cover, we will do that today. So 7th standard French portion will be lesson 5, 6 and 7. So lesson 5 already we have seen in second midterm. So we will be revising lesson 6 and lesson 7 today. So in today's revision, we'll be revising all the lesson vocabularies from 7, 6, 5 already we have done in second midterm. So 6 and 7 will do vocabulary revision. From your side, you will be preparing a question and answers 10 marks, and lesson exercise 20 marks. You will do it on your own, and translation and conjugation. If there is time, I will do it. If not, you can do it. Okay. So today's online test will be based on things which we have already seen, so that I will show you. And today's homework will be completing the classwork for half-yearly portion. Okay, so already it's a given homework, so I'm repeating the same to make yourself ready for the exam. So vocabularies, French to English 10 marks, English to French 10 marks, question and answer 10 marks, that is 5 into 2, 10. Okay, lesson exercise, either 3 exercise or 4 exercise will come, each will carry 5 marks. And the translation, 2 translation will come, so that is 10, 10 each. Okay, so then conjugation, 5 conjugations will be given and each carries 6 marks, so totally 30 marks. So now if you guys have your answer key, take it in your hand. Let's see one by one. I'll just show the answer key first, and then I'll go for the vocabulary. Okay, this is the answer key for 7th standard half-yearly 2020. So lesson 5, 6 and 7. So lesson 7, all the answers are here. So hope you would be getting this, or you will be having this when you see this video. So all the grammar based exercise, I request you to write and see. This is preposition or l'article contracté, you have to write and see. And conjugation, please write and practice. Okay, so for example, this exercise number 4, see this esque. So these exercises you write and practice, and especially this conjugation. Okay, so this is lesson 7, exercise number 9. I want you to write and practice this, because these conjugations are also included for your half-yearly portion. So revenir, vouloir, mettre, dire and finir, apprendre. So these conjugations recently we have finished, so I think you would have you might be having a good memory on it. And lesson 6, all the answers are here. So you can revise it easy when you see this answer key, and you will have an idea what to prepare. So when you prepare for the exam, I want you to have this pattern with you. So online test will be for you regarding this questions which I gave you already as a homework. So I want you to revise all these things. So whatever the exercise which I gave you, please revise that for this online test today. Okay, now we have seen this answer key. So this is just to have an idea about what is the portion and what might come for our fairly. So now let's move on to the book. Okay, so please take your book. Please take lesson 7 vocabulary, page number 84. We'll start from here and we'll go one by one. Okay, so please repeat along with me. So vocabulary is 20 marks for you, from English to French and French to English, 10 each marks. So just repeat along with me, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so we are just going to repeat only the French version, not the English one. L'ascenseur, l'ascenseur. La bogue, la bogue. Le bas, le bas. La blouse, la blouse. Les bottes, les bottes. La boucle d'oreille, la boucle d'oreille. La ceinture, la ceinture. Le chandail, le chandail. Le chapeau, le chapeau. La chaussette, la chaussette. Les chaussures, les chaussures. La chemise, la chemise. La combinaison, la combinaison. La cravate, la cravate. L'escalier, l'escalier. La femme, la femme. La fête, la fête. Le guillet, le guillet. L'homme, l'homme. Imperméable, imperméable. La jupe, la jupe. Le magasin, le magasin. Le marché, le marché. Le pantalon, le pantalon. Le par-dessus, le par-dessus. L'appétit, l'appétit. Le pull, le pull. Le rayon, le rayon. La robe, la robe. La soirée, la soirée. Le veston, le veston. Le vêtement, le vêtement. L'écharpe, l'écharpe. L'étage, l'étage. Verbe monter, monter. Pouvoir, pouvoir. Venir, venir. Vouloir, vouloir. Adverbe alors, alors. Aussi, aussi. Préposition avec, pour, avec, pour. Expression, c'est super, d'accord, c'est super, d'accord. Okay, now, So I want you to learn these vocabularies, and today's online test I will give vocabularies. Okay, that is from lesson 6, 5 and 7. I will ask only vocabularies. Okay, so that will be a good revision for the vocabulary, so that before the exam you will be able to complete the vocabulary revision. Another exercise you can do it on your own. Okay, now let's go to 6th lesson. So now we are in lesson 6 Allons à l'école. So please take the vocabulary section, page number 72. Please repeat along with me. Since this is the revision, you have to repeat. There is no other go. If there is any grammar item also we can teach, but these things we have to just repeat. Okay, so even though you know these vocabularies, please don't hesitate to repeat. Okay, this will be a good revision, and that will help you to do the online test well. Okay, le banque, le banque, la bibliothèque, la bibliothèque, le bureau, le bureau, la chose, la chose, le dessin, le dessin, le devoir, le devoir, la gare, la gare, la géographie, la géographie, l'histoire, l'histoire, l'horloge, l'horloge, la langue, la langue, la littérature, la littérature, les mathématiques, les mathématiques, le pomme, le pomme, le pupitre, le pupitre, le rez-de-chaussée, les rez-de-chaussée, le romain, le romain, la science, la science, le sucre, le sucre, le tableau, le tableau, le terrain de sport, le terrain de sport, le thé, le thé, la vérité, la vérité, l'étage, l'étage, informatique, informatique, les PS, that is physical education period. Okay, that is PT period. Okay, verbs: apprendre, apprendre, corriger, corriger, écrire, écrire. Let's continue. Lire, lire, tourner, tourner, aussi, aussi, loin, loin, près, près, puis, puis, à côté de, à côté de, après, après, au-dessous, au-dessous, au-dessus, au-dessus, avant, avant, contre, contre, dans, dans, derrière, derrière, devant, devant, entre, entre, loin de, loin de, près de, près de, sous, sous, sur, sur, expression, à gauche, à gauche, à droite, à droite, jouer au football, jouer de la guitare, jouer du violon, tout droite, adjectif, plusieurs. So this is from lesson 6. So even from this lesson I will ask online test. So totally 10 questions I'll ask, 5 from French and 5 from English. Now let's move on to lesson 5. So lesson 5 c'est Noël. So move to the vocabulary page. Okay, we have reached the vocabulary page. This vocabularies have already been revised in second midterm. So anyway, today's session is only to revise the appreno. So we will revise the appreno and just 2 or 3 verbs we will see for as an example, and we will wind up today's session. Okay, so this is the last lesson. So just cooperate, guys. L'anniversaire. L'anniversaire. L'automne. L'automne. Le cadeau. Le cadeau. Le cahier. Le cahier. Les séries. Les séries. Le ciel. Le ciel. La couleur. La couleur. Le cousin. Le cousin. La cousine. La cousine. La famille. La famille. Les feuilles. Les feuilles. La fleur. La fleur. Les grands-parents. Les grands-parents. La gymnastique. La gymnastique. L'hiver. L'hiver. Le jardin. Le jardin. Le journal. Le journal. Le jour. Le jour. Le lait. Le lait. La lune. La lune. La messe. La messe. Le mois. Le mois. La mousson. La mousson. La neige. La neige. La nuit. La nuit. Noël. Noël. L'oncle. L'oncle. Le printemps. Le printemps. La promenade. La promenade. Le réveillon. Le réveillon. La saison. La saison. Le soleil. Le soleil. La table. La table. le tableau, le tableau, la tente, la tente, le temps, le temps, la terre, la terre, le vent, le vent, la voiture, la voiture, les étoiles, les étoiles, l'étudiant, l'étudiant, l'été, l'été, briller, briller, faire, faire, fêter, fêter, neiger, neiger, pleuvoir, pleuvoir, tomber, tomber, chaud, chaud, froid, froid, dehors, dehors, ici, ici, là, là, après, après. So we have completed the vocabulary revision for this half-yearly, and I repeat, today's online test will be based on lesson 5, 6 and 7, and let's see what we can do next. Conjugation. So this lesson which has conjugation, please revise it. So whatever the lessons which has conjugation, we have allotted 30 marks for it. So here are some conjugation exercise, so practice that, and each lesson from lesson 6 and 7 as well. So especially when you get questions like this, 1 minute I'll show you. So this is from lesson 6, so math, verb, écrire, and I'll take you to lesson 7 also. I'll show you the conjugation. So those lessons which has the conjugation, definitely it has 30 marks. So whatever lessons has conjugation, please revise it. See, this is from lesson 7. How many? 6 conjugations are there: revenir, vouloir, mettre, dire, finir, apprendre. So revise all these conjugation, because these conjugations alone you can score 30 marks. So already we have finished 20 marks for vocabulary. So this 30 marks, it is 50 mark. So other things which is left out is question answer and lesson exercise 20 marks, question and test 10 marks. So whatever which is left out, 20 marks. Okay, so revise in such a way so that you can score well. First focus on the portion and pattern which I have given you. So in this video we have finished this vocabulary 20 marks, and conjugation I told you what you have to learn. So 30 marks you have already revised already. So what is left out is translation. Okay, so translation you have to read it, and lesson exercise you have to write and practice it, and question answers, that is from your lessons only. So lesson 7 and 6 question answers which is available in your book. You can just revise that and you can write and practice. That makes you to get it. So having this portion in your hand, if you revise the for your half-yearly exam, it will be easy. You will not have any confusion. So please do it. Ok, mes étudiants, merci beaucoup pour les journées. Please revise vocabulary for your online test today, and bonne chance. Merci. Try to complete your classwork as soon as possible, and that would be your homework today. Merci.